안녕, I'm Sunny, your Korean study buddy. Today we'll break down the 10 basic Korean vowels together. Throughout the video, you will learn how to pronounce and write letters as well as some essential words that utilize these vowels. These 10 vowels are divided into two groups based on the way in which they are combined with consonants in a syllable block. In the first group, a consonant comes first and a vowel is followed horizontally. In the second group, a vowel is placed underneath a consonant. Without further ado, let's look at the first group. The first vowel is a and is pronounced a. The stroke order is very straightforward. As you can see, when you write it, you draw a vertical line first and then write a short horizontal line. A word containing a is 가구, which means furniture. The second vowel is ya, which is pronounced ya. When you write it, you just need to add an additional short horizontal line to the vowel a. A word containing this letter is 야구, meaning baseball. The third vowel is which makes the sound a. When you write it, you first draw a short horizontal line followed by a longer vertical line. An essential word including a is bus, meaning bus. The fourth vowel is ya, which makes the sound ya. When you write it, you draw two horizontal lines first and then write a vertical line. A basic word having ya is 혀, meaning tongue. Our last vowel of this group is e, as pronounced e. Writing it is the easiest of all. Just draw a vertical line right next to a consonant. A basic word using e is e, which is a homonym meaning tooth and number 2. The sixth vowel is o, which is pronounced o. Regarding writing, you draw a short vertical line and then a longer horizontal line. A word containing o is 고기, meaning meat. Let's move on to the next vowel, 요, which is pronounced yo. For the stroke order, you first write two vertical lines and then finish by drawing a long horizontal line. A word starting with this is 요리, meaning cooking. The eighth vowel is 우, which is pronounced 우. To write 우, you draw a horizontal line first and then write a short vertical line below it. A word that begins with 우 is 우유, meaning milk. The ninth vowel is 유, which is pronounced you. When writing it, you draw a horizontal line first and then proceed to write two vertical lines below it. A word that starts with 유 is 유아차, meaning stroller. Our last vowel is which is pronounced Regarding the stroke order, you probably already know how to write it. Just draw a horizontal line underneath a consonant. A basic word utilizing 의 is 크리스마스, meaning Christmas. Congratulations on learning the basic Korean vowels today. If you want to learn consonants with me, please click the card in the top right corner. I hope to see you in the next video. 안녕.